Mrs. Kim, and welcome to Mrs. Kim's Building Blocks. How are you today? Well, I'm so happy that you came today. Now, before we begin, let's get ready. Please make sure that you have your pencil and your paper. Now, if you don't have them, don't worry. I'll tell you what you can do. Pause the video, go and get them, and then come right back, and Mrs. Kim will wait for you. Every day at Mrs. Kim's Building Blocks, I always check my mailbox because I want to hear from you. Please share with me your stories or ask me your questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So let's see who wrote to Mrs. Kim today. Ooh, I have some postcards and a letter. I have a postcard from Sammy. Hi, Sammy. How are you? And I also have another postcard from Elijah. Hi, Elijah. And I have a letter from Danielle. Hi, Danielle. How are you doing out there? Now, we've been reading our book, 10 Black Dots. 10 Black Dots. And we saw a lot of dots in this book and a lot of creative artwork that went along with the dots. So I have some dots here with me today. And let's see what Mrs. Kim can make with 5 dots. I have 5 dots here. Here we go. So let's put them all up here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots. Now, what can we make with 5 dots? Do you have any idea? Let's think about it. I wonder what we can make. Oh, I have an idea. I want to make a fruit tree out of these 5 dots. Now, what I'm thinking is each of these dots will be a fruit on my fruit tree. So here we go. Let's draw that together. So I'm going to make the top of the tree just like this. And then I'll make the wood part of the tree just like that. So I have the trunk of my tree, and I'll make some branches that go out to some of my fruits. Just like this. Do you see that? So that is my fruit tree. I have all the leaves out here. I have all my branches, and I also have the trunk of my tree. And of course, with the 5 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's like having fruit on my tree. Well, that was neat. Now I also have 6 dots. So let's see what we can make with that. Let's first clean our board. So let's get our 6 dots out. Gotta pull them all out of my little container. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we have 6 dots. What should we make? Do you have any ideas? What's coming into your mind about what we can make these 6 dots? Let's really think about that. You know what? I have an idea. This time, with the 6 dots, I'm going to make a ladybug. Yes, and each of these dots will be the spots on my ladybug. Let's see what Mrs. Kim can make. So first, I'm going to make the middle part of my bug, just like that. And then make some antlers, just like that. Do you see that? And then I'll make a wing, and then another wing. And that's my ladybug. Do you see that? So it has 6 dots on my ladybug. Now that was really fun. Now we've been learning a lot of numbers here, and today we are going to look at the number 8. The number 8. So let's clean our board, and we're going to write the number 8 and also the word for the number 8. So snap your fingers with me and let's clean my board. So to write the number 8, we always start at the top, like this. And we're going to go around on one side, around on the other side, go right back up, and go all the way to the top. Just like that. And that is the number 8. Now please make sure to have your pencil and your paper and follow along with Mrs. Kim this time. So let's start at the top, go around, go to the other side and go around all the way and go right back up. Just like that. 8, 8, 8. How did your 8 come out? Now 8s can be a little difficult, so just practice in, and I know that your 8 is going to look just as good as Mrs. Kim's 8. Now let's clean our board and we're going to write the word for the number 8. Snap your finger with me. So it's E, I, G, H, T, E, I, G, H, T, 8. This is the word for the number 8. Now to learn more about the number 8, I think that we need to call my special monkey. Let's see if he can help us learn more about the number 8. Hello, monkey. Hello. There he comes. Can you all say hi to my special monkey? Hi, monkey. How are you? Now, I think he's very happy to be here to help us. Now, why is he so special? Because he shows us how many things we need here for the number here. And when his arms are straight, just like this, then we know that the number of things here is the same as the number here. Now, we will be using monkeys to show how many monkeys we need for the number 8. Now I have to collect all 8 monkeys. Come on, monkeys. They're a wild bunch. So, here is the number 8. I'm going to put him on this side. You may not be able to see him, but he's right here. And then let's see how many monkeys we'll need to make sure that the monkey's arms are straight, and then we'll know what will make the number 8 here. So here is 1 monkey and 2 monkeys. Okay, there's 2 monkeys. And then 3 monkeys, 4 monkeys. Let's see. 5 monkeys, 6 monkeys. Oh my, 7 monkeys. Oh, with 7 monkeys, his arms moved a little bit, but they're not straight yet. So that means that 7 monkeys is not enough to make the number 8. Let's see what happens with our 8th monkey. Come on, the 8th monkey. Let's put him in there with all the other monkeys. Now let's see what happens. Oh my, they're moving, and oh wow, look, his arms are straight. That means 8 monkeys are the same as the number 8. You know, we can place 8 unicorns here. We can place 8 ice cream cones here, and that would be yummy. And we can also place 8 pandas here, because we just need 8 things to show us what is the number 8. Wow, monkey. He's doing such a good job about telling us what is the number 8 and all of our numbers. Thank you, monkey. You did such a great job. Now, to learn more about the number 8, I wanted to show you a picture of a spider. Now, what makes a spider different from just an insect? Well, one of the things is that insects or bugs have 6 legs, but spiders, do you know how many legs they have? Look up here at the picture of the spider. It has 8 legs. 8 legs, just like the number that we learned today. And you know what else makes a spider special? It also has 8 eyes. Wow, that's a lot of eyes. We only have 1, 2 eyes, But the spider has 8 eyes. Wow, that's a lot of eyes. Now, can you sing a song with me about a spider? Do you know what it is? It's a song, the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Now, to do this song, let's get our fingers ready so that we can pretend to be the spider. Let's sing together. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. With his 8 legs he could go about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. With his 8 eyes he could go about. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Wow, that's a very nice song about the spider. Now I want to tell you a poem about spiders. Spider, spider, likes to spin. Spider, spider, makes silk so thin. Spider, spider, has 8 eyes. Spider, spider, catches flies. Spider, spider, has 8 legs. Spider, spider, lays tiny eggs. Wow, that was a great way to learn more about spiders and also the number 8. Now today, we are also going to learn about letters. So that we can begin practicing our letters, let's sing the alphabet song to begin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? I like how you sing along with me. That makes the alphabet song that much more special. So today we will learn the letter M. Now remember, we can write every letter in 2 ways. We can write the uppercase or the big M, and we can also write the lowercase or the small m. So let's clean our board so that we can write the letter M. To write the letter M, I want you to first watch Mrs. Kim before you use your pencil and your paper to write your letter M, because there's a lot of parts to it. So, here we go. First, you make a long line down, and then you make a long diagonal line to the middle, and then you make another diagonal line, but you have to start kind of way out here and make it connect. And that's not always easy to do, but you'll be able to do it very soon, or even now. And then the last part is you start at the top again, and you make a straight line down. And that is the uppercase or the big M. Now, let's try together. So use your pencil and your paper. So start at the top and go straight down. And then go right back to that same point at the top and go diagonal. After you do that, go to the top, about right here, and go right back to the middle and make sure that it connects and matches up right there, like that. And then go right back to the point at the top here and goes straight down. And that is the uppercase or the big M. How does your M look? I'm sure that you're doing a very good job. Now let's clean our board and then we will write the lowercase or the small m. So to make our lowercase or our small m, start about here and go down and make a shorter line this time. And then you'll go around and around, just like that. And that is our lowercase or our small m. How did you do? Let's try it one more time. So make a short line like that. And then go around and around. M. Now with the M, you may need some practice, but that's okay. The more you practice, the better you'll get. So don't worry about it. M. Now what is the sound that the letter M makes? Now this is kind of fun because it's going to make your lips tickle a little bit. Ready? Mm. Mm. Okay, so let's try that. The letter M sounds like this. M. 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 Or mm. 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 Did you feel the little bit of a tickle on your lips? That's how it should feel when you make the letter sound of M. Let's try that one more time. Mm, 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 or M, M, M. Very good. Now I will teach you the short song for the letter M, and then we'll sing it together with all the short songs that we've been learning for all the letters from A all the way to M. So the short song for the letter M goes like this. Now we have to begin by learning the sign language for the letter M. And it goes like this. Now this is one of the more difficult or harder sign languages that we have to learn. But I think that you can do it. Even Mrs. Kim has a hard time, so don't worry. So this is what you do. You bring in all your fingers just like that. Now with your thumb, you count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you put your finger right in there. And you hug it with your 1, 2, 3 fingers, just like that. And that is the letter M in sign language. And you're going to need that for the short song for the letter M. Let's try that one more time. So here we go. So you're going to fold over all your fingers. And when you do that, put out your thumb and we're going to count. 1, 2, 3. Put your thumb right there and then fold it over. Just give it a nice hug with your 3 fingers. Now, if you can see it very carefully, what does that look like? It looks like the letter M, just like this. Do you see that? It has these little bumps, just like the letter M does. That's the easy way for you to remember how to do the letter M. Okay? Look at Mrs. Kim's hand very carefully. Now, the word for the short song is going to be munch. Just like the sound that you make when you eat something. Munch, munch, munch. Can you do that? Munch, munch, munch. Good job. So this is a short song for the letter M. It goes like this. M for munch. Mm, mm, mm. I'll sing it for you one more. M for munch. Mm, mm, mm. Sing it together with me. M for munch. Mm, mm, mm. Very good. Now let's sing all the short songs together from the letter A all the way to the letter M. Now, do you know what's really neat about that? That means we've learned half the alphabet because the letter M is the 13th letter and we have 26 letters to learn and we're already at 13. That means we've already learned half the alphabet. Good job, kiddo. That means you're really, really smart. So let's sing the song together. Ready? Get your A's ready. Get your A's ready. Good job. A for apple. A, a, a. B for bounce, b, 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 b. C for cut, c, c, c. D for dig, d, d, d. E for elbow, e, e, e. F for fan, f, 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 f. G for gallop, g, g, g. H for hop, 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 hop. I for itch, it, it. J for jump, jump, ja, 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 ja. K for kick, k, k, k. L for love, 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 love. M for munch, mm, mm, mm. Wow, you did such a good job singing along with Mrs. Kim. Now, don't worry. You may not know all the letters and you may not know all the songs, but you know what? It's all going into your brain. And little by little, you're going to know the entire song in no time. Good job, kiddo. Now, I have a can of alphabet soup for the letter M. So here we go. Here's my can of alphabet soup for the letter M. Now this soup contains many words that begin with the letter M. So let's take a nice look at that. Here we go. So let's put our can down. Oh my, there's a lot of good stuff in here. Okay, let's begin with the uppercase or the big M. That needs to go in. And then the lowercase m or the small m goes into our alphabet soup. Now we have a lot of great words that begin with the letter M. And the first one that I want to show you is, what is that? Can you see that? It's a mouse. Mouse begins with the letter M. Do you know what this is? I think you know what this is. That's right, it's milk. And milk begins with the letter M. Let's take a nice big gulp, a nice big drink of milk. Oh, 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 oh. You know why? Because milk is very good for you. It makes your bones really strong so that you can grow tall and big and healthy too. Thank you, milk. Now what is this? That's a mushroom. That's right. It's a mushroom. And mushroom begins with the letter M. Very good. Now we have two nice things left. What are these? These are mittens. They're gloves that keep your hands very warm in the winter or in the cold time. So when you're really cold, you put on nice mittens right over your hands and you're able to keep your hands nice and warm. So mittens, that begins with the letter M. Now the last thing is, this is a magnet. Magnet begins with the letter M. A magnet is a very special metal that attracts or sticks to other special metals. So when you have a magnet, it sticks with metals. And metals also begins with, that's right, the letter M. That was a very nice alphabet soup for the letter M. Now let's sing a song for the letter M. And the song is called, Do You Know the Muffin Man? Let's sing together. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives in Drury Lane? Yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives in Drury Lane. Thank you for the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Thank you for the Muffin Man who gives to those in need. Now, let's make a word that begins with the letter M. Let's clean our board. To write the word mad, it's M A D. Now we know each of the sounds for the letters. So it's M, A, D. So all we have to do is put those letter sounds all together to read this word. Let's do that together. M, A, D. M, A, D. Now let's connect those. M, A, D. Let's do it a little faster. M, A, D, mad, mad. That's how we read it, by putting each of the sounds for those letters together. Mad. Very good. Can we talk about the word mad? What does it mean to be mad? It means to feel really upset about something. It's like when you can't calm down or even be happy. Now, what are some things that we can do when we feel really, really mad? One of the things that we can do is to stop. First, you have to stop so that you can have some time to think. The second thing you can do is talk. You can talk to someone like your mom or your dad or a teacher and tell them how you feel and what made you mad. And they can help you find an answer to that problem that made you so mad. Now, another thing that you can do is count. You can count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, when you're counting up to 10, that gives you enough time to be able to calm down. So these are some of the things that you can do. You can stop, you can talk, and you can also count when you are very mad so that you can calm down. Now, this is a good time to do some exercises after all the lessons that we learned. Now, you can do these exercises while sitting down, just like Mrs. Kim is sitting down, or you can stand up and do these exercises too. Now, the first exercise that we're going to do is making X's with our arms. So we'll go like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, we're going to do that 10 times. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now the second we're going to do is we're going to point up to the sky and then we're going to point down. We're going to point up to the sky and then point down, just like that. Now we're going to do 10 of these. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. Now this time we're going to point in opposite directions. So you're going to point over here and then you're going to point over there. And we're going to do 10 of those. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Very good. Now let's sit down and calm a little bit and sing a song about 10 animals. Now we've been singing about 10 pandas. We've been singing about 10 parrots. And today we're going to sing about 10 ladybugs. So let's get our fingers ready. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little ladybugs, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little ladybugs, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little ladybugs, 10 little ladybugs. Backwards now. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little ladybugs, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little ladybugs, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little ladybugs, 1 little ladybug. Excellent. I had such a great time with you today, and I want to tell you how proud I am of you and how much I can tell that you are so special, so sweet, and so smart. Now, before we end today, I want to read from our special book, My ABC of God Loves Me. Now, we've been reading for all the letters from A all through L, and today we will read for the letter M. Now, it says M is for Messiah. God's Son is the Messiah. He saved us on the cross. If we trust in Him, we will never be lost. Now, thank you so much for coming today, and I hope to see you tomorrow at Mrs. Kim's Building Blocks. Bye-bye. I'll miss you. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.